Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I review websites and apps to make money online. Most platforms I mention will pay you via PayPal, gift cards, cryptocurrencies, and much more. In today's video, we're going to look at CryptoTab browser, and I will withdraw some Bitcoin towards the end of the video to see if you can really earn free Bitcoin by simply using a browser. Basically, CryptoTab is a browser with built-in mining features to earn Bitcoin passively. I will go through the whole installation process, explain how this works, and how much you can expect to earn. If you haven't signed up yet, click on the link in the description below, and we'll go through the whole process together. Once you click on the link, you will get to the same page I'm at right now. CryptoTab is the world's first browser with mining features, and there are already over 20 million users worldwide. It's a lightweight and fast browser. Actually, if you already use Google Chrome, you will notice that it looks very similar to CryptoTab. I will show you that in a minute after we go through the whole installation process. So CryptoTab is available on Windows, Android, and iOS. However, there is a catch with the Android and iOS versions. I will explain that in a minute, but first, let's go through the installation for your Windows computer by clicking on the download button here. Accept and install, then click on the program here to start the installation process. The installation has been successfully completed. To optimize mining performance, they advise rebooting your computer. You can close that window and restart your computer later on. Here, they explain a few interesting things about CryptoTab. On the top right corner, you can manage your mining process, invite new users to your mining network, keep track of your earnings, and request withdrawals. Their referral program is great as it has 10 levels of referrals, meaning you will earn Bitcoin from friends mining, their friends mining, and further on. The number of referrals on each level is unlimited, so if you invite enough people, or if you're lucky enough to invite one friend that invites many people, you can significantly increase your earnings. The more active users of the browser you have in your mining network, the higher your income will be. You can simply click here to set CryptoTab as your default browser. Mining speed is higher when the browser window is active, and they recommend you to use it for everyday needs like browsing online, watching movies online, etc. On the top right corner, you will see this little extension. Just click on it. There's a quick tutorial here to understand how it works. So go ahead and check that if you want, but I will skip this as I'm going to explain to you in this video. To sign up, click on the three little lines on the top right corner, then go to login. So you can sign up with your Google account, or if you click here, you will see the list of different options to sign up, such as Facebook, Twitter, or VK. I already have an account, so I will sign in with my Google account. When you first sign up, you will see the latest updates from CryptoTab. Here, they actually mention something about the iOS and Android versions of CryptoTab. So the catch I mentioned earlier was that these versions are not free, unlike the Windows version that is completely free. It will cost you 59 cents in euro to install CryptoTab on your Android device. I personally don't recommend you to pay for this app to have it installed on your mobile phone because the earnings will be much slower. However, it is true that most of us now use mobile phones more often than laptops or desktop computers, therefore it might be worth it in the long run for some. The iOS version costs $3.99, and I read some reviews of people mentioning the earnings were much slower than Android, which is already very slow compared to laptops or desktop computers. So if you close this tab, you will get to this page. Here is the interesting part, but don't get too excited just yet. As you can see, I've earned a total of 0.00001053 Bitcoin. At the moment, it's only worth about 38 cents, and it took a few days of using CryptoTab to get there. So obviously, if you install CryptoTab for the sole purpose of earning Bitcoin, you will lose money because the electricity cost will be higher than the Bitcoin you will earn. However, if you use it for browsing the internet and watching Netflix, basically the things that you already do on a daily basis when using your computer, then you will earn a small amount of money daily simply by switching your current browser to CryptoTab. By default, when you install CryptoTab, the mining will be off. To turn on mining, just drag the bar to the right. It will take a few seconds to adjust and start mining. With my computer, the hash rate per second is at around 3000, which is not much. The hash rate will be lower or higher depending on your processor power. The cloud boost is a way to multiply your mining speed by up to 15 times. This is another way to earn more, but you will need to pay a Bitcoin fee every month. It shouldn't be worth it if you only use CryptoTab on one computer. However, if you use multiple computers, and I'm talking about many multiple very powerful computers, then maybe it could be worth it, depending on your electricity cost, but I'm personally staying away from this. Back to the home page, you can also see how much Bitcoin you mined yourself and how much your mining network or referrals made you earn. So far, most of the earnings I got were mined by me. To get your referral link, click on the link ID here, then select the first option. Now you can click this copy link button to share your referral link with your friends and family. The amount of your earnings depends on how many referrals you brought in and how often you shared your personal referral link in social networks. The referral program includes up to 10 levels of friends. For a direct referral, you will earn 15% of their earnings, and this will not impact their personal earnings. Then on the second level, so if someone you referred to CryptoTab at the first level invites another person, you will earn 10%, and so on. At the bottom, you will see all the latest tips and news about CryptoTab and Bitcoin. So I should have probably mentioned this earlier, but once you turn on your mining speed, your fan will start making more noise, and that's because your processor is using a lot more power than usual due to the Bitcoin mining. Therefore, your fan will speed up to cool it down. So if like me you're a bit annoyed by the noise of your fan, you can lower the mining speed. By doing that, you will of course earn less Bitcoin, but your laptop or desktop computer will be quieter. With my laptop, putting the mining speed at half is enough for the fan to be quiet, but feel free to lower it even more if it gets too noisy. You can also turn off the mining completely, but then you won't earn anything. From the little extension on the top right corner, if you right click on it, you can also quickly change your mining speed from off to medium or high. In the affiliate dashboard, you can see how many people clicked on your link, downloaded CryptoTab, how many installed it, and your active miners or referrals. Only 3 people installed it so far, and 1 active miner made me earn 0.00000001 Bitcoin, which is basically not even worth a cent right now. But I'm hopeful that more people will join. You can also find your referral link if you haven't copied it earlier when I showed you where to get it from the homepage. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact the support right here as well. You can basically ask them anything related to the referral program, report a bug, etc. I will now go back to the dashboard to withdraw some Bitcoin. The minimum withdrawal amount is only 0.00001 Bitcoin, and I have 0.00001052. You will of course need to enter your Bitcoin address. I have an account with Binance with a Bitcoin address, so I will enter it here. Then I will withdraw all the Bitcoin I earned from CryptoTab. Confirm you're not a robot, and withdraw. They just sent me an email confirmation link. So this is the email I just got from CryptoTab. Make sure your Bitcoin address is correct, and then confirm your withdrawal here. The withdrawal has now been confirmed, and it usually takes 1 business day for the Bitcoin to be transferred, so I will pause this recording and get back to you once I receive it. I am now back and received a notification from Binance confirming my Bitcoin deposit was successful. So I will reopen CryptoTab to show you the payment was completed, and then I will connect to my Binance account. When you reopen CryptoTab on your computer, just click on the extension here to get to the home page of your Bitcoin mining. As you can see, I've earned a bit more Bitcoin since then. If you go to the affiliate dashboard and then payment history, you can see that the status is showing as complete. So now I will connect to my Binance account. So this is the notification I received on my phone. The Bitcoin deposit was successful, and it proves here that I have deposited 0.00001052 Bitcoin. From Binance, you can also go to your wallet, then fiat and spot, and here you can see I have my Bitcoin, which is still valued at around 38 cents at the moment. So to sum up, CryptoTab is a way to earn some Bitcoin, but it will take time. However, it is 100% passive, as all you need to do is use the browser and use your computer as you would normally do. If you leave your computer on for the sole purpose of earning Bitcoin, it will not be worth it, as the electricity cost will be higher than the amount of money you earn. However, in my opinion, it is worth using the browser to earn a tiny amount of Bitcoin every single day, as the mining is automatic from the moment you open up CryptoTab. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and see you soon for another video.